Okay, so what I'm doing right now is I'm taking off all of the paneling in here. So what I'm doing is I'm going in there with a putty knife and I'm scraping off the paneling. The reason why this task is a little difficult in here and why it's taking so long, it's not a hard thing to do, it's just annoying and tedious because it's taking a while. The reason why is because the wood panels that were all on the interior of this RV were obviously very rotted and water damaged and old, and those panels were glued to these rigid styrofoam boards, so that just makes for a really difficult thing to peel off. With the combination of the glue and the fact that it's old and rotted, it comes off in these tiny little fragments instead of these big chunks that I'm able to take off. I haven't been able to do that yet. It's just been these tiny little fragments that are peeling off. So like I said, I'm using a putty knife to do it, and I'm also, as I'm taking it down, we have a mold killing spray that I'm just spraying on what I'm taking off, and what's left behind I'm spraying the styrofoam walls with it as well. And of course wearing my mask while doing so. So the reason why I'm doing this task right now of taking off the paneling is because we're just waiting to get to the roof. We're waiting for our kit to come in the mail that we ordered to completely replace the roof of the RV ourselves. So as soon as that gets here, we're going to get up there, we're going to take care of the roof because most likely the whole thing is rotted and water damaged, and we're just guessing that it's going to all have to be replaced. Instead of doing patchwork to fix up multiple leaks, we would much rather just replace the whole thing. So we're waiting for that to come in because everything's pretty much gutted out in here except for the shower. So I'm going to try taking down this paneling in here just until we're able to get to the roof.